Hi, my name is Hardik and today I'm going to talk about importance of measurement in the business. I've come across a lot of entrepreneurial friends who very often say मुझे मालूम है मेरा business में क्या चल रहा है. I have like 25 years of experience. I think this is the problem because I know what I'm doing and make all sorts of assumptions to, and therefore the business is run on based of those assumptions. So I want to tell all of those entrepreneurs and the others who are technically doing this and don't know any other way of running the business. So at a very early stage of my professional career in corporates, I came across two very beautiful statements. One is assumption is the mother of all problems. Second, you don't know what you don't know. यानी अजम्पशन करना वो अपने आप में एक प्रॉब्लम है और आपको नहीं पता आपको क्या नहीं पता. Very recently, my father also underwent bypass, and bypass is a very critical surgery which you already would know. Now, before doing bypass, the doctor did several reports, बहुत सारे reports निकाले. The surgery went very well, and one of the things that happened in the surgery was he had almost 0% blood loss. When I looked at the reports and I was trying to understand what these reports are all about, I came across a report called CTBT, which is called clotting time and bleeding time. Now, this particular report technically tells the doctor how much time does it take for the blood to clot and how much time does the body naturally bleed. Now, there were several reports, like I told you, and this doctor was with about 15-20 years of cardiology surgery. Obviously he knew everything about how to do that, but he still, with that report and several others, was trying to prepare himself for any unforeseen circumstances that may occur during surgery. He did not say that मेरे को मालूम है मैं 20 साल से operations कर रहा हूँ. He looked at that because it was critical and he valued the facts and the figures. So the corporates do it because that's where I got to learn these two statements that I mentioned to you about. The doctors do it and they measure the portion of what they do. They know what the facts and figures are and therefore go more prepared into the situation and manage what they have to manage. So why should an SME base everything on the assumptions? You must measure and know the facts. Now, when you say measure, I'm talking about reports, dashboards, and some of you may call it KPIs. That's what you need to do. The question is what to measure and where to measure. Now, this is a very big subject, but I'm still going to give you a few tips. You may want to start measuring all your departments right away. What should you measure on? You should measure on three things. Number one, you should measure the quality of output that every department gives. For example, if it's an accounting team, the accounting team issues invoices. Does the invoice have all the information required for somebody to process it? If that's how it is, then it is good on quality. If it is a manufacturing unit and the manufacturing department is producing a finished good, then the finished product needs to adhere to the standards of quality that you want. If it is a sales team, then the quality of the sales pitch needs to be of that standard. The second thing that you measure is productivity. How many products are produced? How many sales calls are made? How many invoices are issued? The third thing that you got to measure is efficiency. How much time does it take for you to produce an X number of invoices? How much time does it take for you to do X number of sales calls? How much time does it take for you to produce an X number of products? If you measure these three things in all of your departments, you would basically know ABCD facts of your business, and therefore you will be able to take very informed decision. For all the people out there who feel gut is what needs to be used, well, you use the gut, but know the facts. Like people say, जोश में रहना ज़रूरी है पर होश के साथ जोश ज़रूरी है. So the hosh is what will be the numbers and the josh is your belief that you can change these very numbers and these very results. Best of luck, measure and propel.